ये पढ़ना लिखना, पढ़ना पढ़ाना जो है ना, ये तो बड़ा नॉलेज का भी काम है और शौक़ का भी है। तो अंग्रेज़ी लैंग्वेज से तो मुझे वैसे भी जो है वो एक थोड़ा सा शौक़ शुरू से रहा है। तो मेरी नज़र से ऑक्सफोर्ड का कुछ सिलेबस की कुछ बुक्स गुजरी हैं, तो वहाँ पे मैंने देखा है कि जो स्टूडेंट थे वो कुछ पढ़ने के लिए, कुछ हेल्प के लिए भी आते रहते हैं। तो मैंने देखा है कि वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट को काफ़ी मुश्किलात पेश आती हैं, ख़ास तौर पर उसकी रीडिंग में। तो ये जो क्लास 7 है उसकी बुक है इंग्लिश की, जहाँ पे मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर देखे हैं। वैसे तो उनके अगर आप लें पूरी एक्सरसाइज और उसमें जो पूरा टॉपिक्स दिए हुए हैं तो वो काफ़ी टफ हैं। अच्छा भला उसमें ग्रामर है और लैंग्वेज के बड़े बेसिक रूल्स भी हैं। तो ये कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर है और उनमें मैंने देखा है कि ये जो ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश है ऑक्सफोर्ड की सिलेबस में, ख़ास तौर पर ये जो ब्रॉडवे की बुक है इसमें, तो ये तो बड़ा टफ इसमें लैंग्वेज यूज़ हुई है। तो ये स्टूडेंट की हेल्प के लिए, वो किसी स्कूल का हो या किसी लेवल का हो या कहीं भी बैठ के पढ़ रहा हो, उसको हेल्प की ज़रूरत होती है। और यहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ तो ख़ास तौर पर ऐसे मुश्किल है। कुछ वीडियोस हैं इसके ऊपर, फेसबुक के ऊपर भी हैं, यूट्यूब में भी हैं, लेकिन वो थोड़ा सा मेरा ख्याल है स्टूडेंट को के समझने में काफ़ी मुश्किलात पेश आती हैं। तो सिंपल जो है ना, वो जैसे क्वेश्चन आंसर टाइप है या इस तरह का कुछ है, तो उसको हम कुछ रीड आउट कर लेते हैं। क्लास 7 की ये बुक है, तो इसमें उम्मीद है कि स्टूडेंट को हेल्प हो जाएगी। तो हम कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन पे देख लेते हैं, क्वेश्चन है, आंसर है, तो उनको हम रीड आउट कर लेते हैं। इंग्लिश क्लास 7 क्वेश्चन आंसर की रीडिंग कर लेते हैं। कुछ मुश्किल अल्फाज हैं जो स्टूडेंट को समझने में थोड़ा सा दुश्वारी पेश आ सकती है, ताकि वो उनको आसानी से समझ सकें और उनको रीड कर सकें। नंबर 1, डू यू थिंक लॉरी नोज द 4 sisters well? Give reason for your answer. Yes, she knows them very well. She knows what would be their answer to question and what would be their reaction. The boy felt that he should not have come. He should not have come and ought to go away. But Laurie did not go away. Why? What happened when soon after? Yes, he felt that he should not come and ought to go away because he was lonely. He was soon after called by his sister to play with them. He enjoyed much. Laurie had not been invited by the girls because the girl thought that it is possible he might not like to play with the girls. Meg bent and fastened her shoe as she spoke, and her face could not be seen. Why did she hide her face? When she was asked about the husband, she felt shy, and she bent down. She did not want to show her shyness. Who was the oldest among the children and who was the youngest? How can you tell? The Meg was the eldest and mine was the youngest. I guessed it from the talk of them when playing a role of Pilgrim's Progress. Wealth and status do not matter here. Why does the writer say this? What is he talking about? It was a prayer of Muslims, Eid, and rich and poor say the prayer at the same time, same space, and same mosque. So money and status do not matter here. One fall and they will be break. Who says this? What is he referring to? Why does he say this? Hamid want to say that if the toys fall, they will break. He says so to satisfy himself because he could not buy the toys. Why does Hamid stop at the hardware shop? He stops at the hardware shop to buy the tongs for her mother. The children now realize that Hamid's tongs are undoubtedly far superior to their toys. How this realization does come about. When they saw that the falling to the ground does not break them, they thought the tongs are superior to their toys. What happened to the toys that Hamid's friends buy? All of them were broken one by one. Why does Amina scolded Hamid? She scolded Hamid that instead of taking toys and eating sweets with children, he bought the tongs that are of no use. Now Amina, the old woman, has become Amina, the child. What does this mean? It means that now Amina became affectionate when she realized Hamid's love for Amina. Here are some words that describe a person. Pick out the one that you think best describe Hamid. Give reason for your choice. Number 1, word caring. He bought tongs for her mother. Thoughtful. He did not bought anything but decided very carefully what to buy. Do you think Hamid bought the tongs to impress her grandmother? Why do you think so? No, he bought the tongs in love of her mother. He can't see her hands burn. Do you think Hamid did right things? What would you have done if you had been in such a situation? Yes, he did the right thing. Our elders need our care and love all the time. Who spoke? Who is speaker in the poem? How can you tell? The speaker in the poem is boy himself. He uses the pronoun of me, so it is boy himself. Why does the speaker wish to be Bengal seller? So that he can walk everywhere and no one would stop him to stay at home. The speaker is attracted to the gardener job. Why? He likes digging. He thinks it is best job that no one stops to do the digging. Why does the speaker want to be watchman? He does not want to go bed. His mother sends him to the bed early, so he wants to be watchman and stay awake all the night. Give the right reason before anyone. Bengal seller. He does not have hurry to home. Gardener. He can wear dirty clothes. Watchman. He can walk the streets all the night. Here are the main events of the count of number them according to the order in which they took place. A नंबर 3 पे, B नंबर 4, C नंबर 1, D नंबर 5, E नंबर 2 और F नंबर 6. इस तरह से ये पैराग्राफ तरतीब देने से दुरुस्त पैराग्राफ बन जाएगा. What is the main occupation of the people of Kati Bandar? The main occupation of the people of Kati Bandar is fishing. In what way are mangroves important for the local community? Mangroves provide breeding ground to fish, wood for fuel, fodder for cattle, and sanctuary for birds. That's why they are important. Why did the number of mangrove forests decrease in the area? Because the land is spoiled by seawater, the pollution, and the cutting of trees also decrease the area of mangroves. The grazing cattle are also cause of this decrease. Cause of this decrease. What was the record the Pakistan set in July 2009? How was it achieved? Pakistan set the record of planting 541,176 trees in one day. The trained worker and the local and other people collectively achieved this record. Dash but sat staring the down apple seed in his palm. It was the beginning of his mission in life. As from that seed the thought about planting the apples, he did so and it became the mission of his life. How did John Chapman come to be known as Johnny Appleseed? Johnny planted the seed and whoever met him, he gave him seeds. He gave him seed. This cause is named from John to Johnny Chapman. Johnny Appleseed. Johnny loved to be outdoor. Pick out two examples from the passage to support this statement. He remains always wandering in the forest. He loved to see plants and animals. He planted thousands of apple trees. The text implies that Johnny fell ill because he was worried that his precious apple trees would die in the severe winter. What does this tell you about? It tells us that Johnny loved his apple trees very much. It shows that when in winter the plants lost their leaves, John fell ill thinking that his trees would die. Truly, lesson in conversation began with this man. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this statement? Give reasons to support your answer. Johnny taught the lesson of passion and mission of in life. He taught the dedication for his mission. He started planting apples and did it as well as anyone can. It has great lesson, a unique one. Why does this speaker refers to the forest as mother and father? Because forest is kind like mother and father. It cares speakers every kind of need. Which line suggests that the forest is our forefathers and have been there from the beginning of life. Forest, my father, traces me. My roots are the lines that shows forest are our forefathers. Do you agree with the speaker's impression that forests are mysterious places and have secrets? Give reason for your answer. Yes, I agree with the speaker's impression that forests are mysterious places and have secrets. There is different kind of life of many years. There are the signs of our forefathers who used to live in forest before these settlements. Pick out the line that suggests that paths in the forest are not straight. Forest of whisper and the interactive ways. Which is the line suggests that speaker likes to spend all his waking and sleeping time in the forest. Is there a suggestion in the poem that forests provide both physical and emotional comfort to human beings? Pick out the line. Forests are home of animal, birds and man. Forests are meaning as I understand. Read the last two lines of the poem. What do you think the speaker is trying to tell us about the future of trees and human beings? Do you agree with him? Yes, the future of forest